As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
Where my guns? Where my drugs? Where my money? Where my hoe? Put on my watch, threw on my chains, jumped in my car, blew out the brains. Just drive fast, that's too slow. This supercharged, that don't go. Ain't got a shave, ain't got a cut. I got a bottle, I keep a bird. Phone ring, it's the bitch. I got a question. Bitch, did we hit? Look at my hands, look at my ears. I'm having money, what you can't hear is hella dry, no junk, just cut, just bunk. I'm gon' ball, I hit the mall. I'm big, you niggas small. Where your gun? Here go my job. That ain't fast, that's style. Where your bitch? Here go my hoe. I'm just tryna let a motherfucker know. Where your gun? Here go my job. That ain't fast, that's style. Where your bitch? Here go my hoe. I'm just tryna let a motherfucker know.
It's Young Phil. You niggas lame. I'm having money. You haven't changed. It's live wire. These niggas hate, but they'll never say it to a nigga face. I'm pushing candy. I'm on sixes. I'm so loved by these motherfucking bitches. I'm from the hood. You from the bird. I sell dope off the motherfucking curb. My bitch thick. Well, hella ass. She just left the strip club.